Hello, it's Crypto Farmer XD, and today we're taking a look at the brand new VIP program that came to Gomining on March 14th, 2025. Now, this program, while it is new and there is some new exciting stuff, it is built on the previous mining farm uh, feature. It wasn't really a program before, it was a feature where you would basically go in, it's the same place you would click your service button. You know, the more TH you bought, the higher the level is. But now this VIP program has come and replaced that and is honestly a lot more better, and it has a lot more features. So first off the bat, you'll notice that the mining farm page, which used to be like a big white screen, is no longer that. It's now your miners page. It's your same miners page that you've known before, except for there's this section at the top. So they've kind of combined the two pages. But in my opinion, this looks way cleaner. It's more modernized. The UI is great, even on the mobile app. You can find it on the mobile app on the home tab or on the My Miners tab at the top, or at the bottom and then at the top. But basically, what you have here at the top is that kind of old mining farm system, but it's got a facelift, basically. So basically, you still have your rankings here. So you see I have 776 TH, so I am, halfway between 500 and 1,000 TH to get the next level. Your service button is no longer on a different page. It's on this page, so click that service button every day, get your discount. It's going to refresh the timer. Hopefully, I am not over that now. We can click on the maintenance button. We can see how much we got going on here. You see the service discount still going strong for me. 10 days. Awesome. That's great. I didn't miss it for today. I was kind of worried because it's getting towards the end of the day. But basically, you save your miners here. You can click this button to create a miner. You have your power information. You can click that button to get to your upgrade pop-up. You have your efficiency. This is also an upgrade pop-up. And then you have your discount, which I just clicked on. And it's your familiar discount screen. Now, one thing that's different on this, and you'll notice, is before you used to have your mining farm level. Now you have this VIP discount, which essentially is the same thing. There's just more tiers. And it behaves the same way, essentially. So if you wanted to look at it, you can go ahead and click on Increase VIP Status. Now that'll take you to the VIP page, or the more easy way to do it is you can click on your avatar in the top right, and then you'll have your VIP status here. If you are a VIP with I think it's the 500 TH level, the level I'm at right now, Platinum 1, you'll have a VIP manager that you can reach out to for support, which in my experience so far has been pretty good. I haven't really had to address them too much, but I've engaged with them a little bit, and it's been it's been great for what I've had to do so far, but they haven't really had any issues to resolve as of yet, so that's a good thing. But basically, you come in here, click on your VIP status, it'll take you to the same page, and this tells you all about the new VIP system. So there's two ways you can increase your VIP. There is the normal mining farm way that we had before, which was the TH level, increasing your power overall. And then there's your V Go Mining boats, which I haven't actually dabbled in yet. I will be doing it soon, and that is because the virtual wallet is soon to be able to stake Go Mining tokens. Previously, you had to do it on the Ethereum network, and in my experience, Ethereum has been, I don't know. Ethereum is Ethereum, man. Gas fees, I seem to every time I try to use it, fees are crazy. So I try to stay away from it as much as I can usually. But now, coming next week, so the week after the 14th of March, they're going to be introducing the ability to stake your virtual tokens. So anything in your virtual Go Mining wallet, you'll be able to stake it. There won't be any network fees. It should be a lot more seamless. So I'm looking forward to that. So that might be an option, if you're looking to stake stuff instead of increasing your TH. But in general, if you're not looking at the VIP program, staking your coins, locking them for the extra APR and your extra votes, and you can kind of vote where you want, the stuff to go and all that. It's going to be good for the platform, and I imagine we're going to get a lot more voting in the tokenomics. Anyways, back on the VIP stuff, if we scroll down, we'll see my VIP privileges. We'll see everything that I have unlocked. So right now I have a 2.1% discount for my level. If I click that, it just pulls up the maintenance screen. Currently, the Launchpad allocation, Launchpad isn't live yet, but it's going to be coming soon. And then the new Go Mining debit card's also not out yet, but it will be coming soon. And I believe it's only launching in Europe at first, if I recall, in the last town hall, and then eventually to more places. So I'm not going to be able to access that right away, so I won't have a whole lot of coverage there, but I might cover a blog post or whatever I come across. And then below that, we have some new stuff. We have the reinvest in TH. Get 5% more rewards by converting them into power. So this is something new. So if you go into your reward settings, you can actually go ahead and turn on reinvesting. And now if you go into here, you'll get a 5% increase. So before they didn't have this. This is also one of the tiers. It's not, you don't just get it right away. You have to be a certain tier. We'll go over the tiers in a second. But this is something new as one of the rewards for the VIP program. So if you wanted to, you can go ahead and invest in TH. You pick your miner, you say you want to do, I don't know, that one. It'll tell you how much TH you're going to get a day, right? Based on your rewards. So that's one thing you can do. I'm not going to do that right now. Personally, I might do it. I don't know. I'm kind of on the fence. Want to do it? Don't want to do it? Not really sure yet. I'll probably test it out, see how it goes. But it is an easy way to get an extra 5% growth week over week or day over day, depending on if you're doing miner wars or solo mining. The one thing to take note on that, though, is if you do the Gomining tokens payout, you can actually use that to reinvest into, if you go in and manually upgrade something, you'll be brought into that raffle for the Gominer's avatar key. If you do the TH, you're not going to get that. So that is one trade-off. So you're trading off 5% extra TH for missing out on the chance of being in the avatar drawing every week. Which, your odds of winning an avatar is really low. So maybe that's good if you want to have something more consistent. But, I've seen people win avatars with a lot less. So everybody's got a chance at the end of the day, as long as you're upgrading throughout the week. So if we go back into the VIP status page, continue down, you'll see that there is clan ownership, where miner wars earn 5% royalties. Now this one, I believe, is the normal 5% royalties you had before. So maybe, I think they capped it for miner wars clan creation to be at this tier. I'll look at the tiers in a second, by the way. So I think you have to be a certain VIP tier to make a clan for miner wars now. And then we have the VIP support, so you can contact your VIP manager if you're at the level of that. Then the Go Miner keys, which is basically, it's the same thing as before. Get to 5,000 TH, you get it. But in this case, now it's only created on new miners and power upgrades. So any miners you bought out of the marketplace aren't going to count towards that 5,000 TH now, which is a little unfortunate. I'm kind of hoping maybe that's a miscommunication thing. I don't know. You see right there, I've only upgraded and paid. I've only upgraded and created 83.76 TH, but I have over 700 TH. So it kind of sucks in the long run if you're doing that. I usually watch the market and get better deals on the market than upgrading. But I don't know. We'll see how it goes. And then the last thing on here I wanted to call out is there's something in the terms and conditions, which, don't worry, it's nothing bad. It's actually just something of a preview that I've not seen them mention anywhere yet, and that is the loot boxes right here, coming soon. Loot boxes, if you come from the gaming side, microtransactions, Overwatch was a big one, right? And all the gaming went through their loot boxes phase. So we'll see how it goes. Personally, I don't really care, if I want to use a loot box, I will. If I don't want to, I won't, right? But it is coming, and that's something that I thought was interesting when I was reviewing this, and they haven't mentioned anywhere else that I'm aware of yet. So kind of interesting to see what that is all about. But let's look at the overall tiers real quick. If you come up here, you can look at all VIP tiers. Click that, and you'll see that you're actually, just by making an account, you're in the VIP program, right? VIP program starts from 0, bronze 1. And then it just goes all the way up until elite at 1 million TH or 10 million V Gomining boats. Each tier here has a benefit. So you start out, level 1, you get 0.3 extra on your maintenance discount. That just increases throughout all the tiers. You eventually get some launchpad allocations, which I'm not really sure how that's going to work. I don't really have a lot of experience in launchpads, so I don't know. We'll see what they come out with, and I'll cover that when that comes out. The card program, so the debit card program, you get the different tiers. So the more it's the debit card program tiers are tied to your overall VIP tiers. And then on the right side, you have your features, which is like the little perks, the additional things, something special that you unlock as you go through up all these. You have the silver one at 10 TH or 100 B Go mining votes. You'll get that 5% TH reinvestment thing that I was showing you. So that's really not that far off. It's actually really early, which is awesome. So those people that are just coming to the platform, maybe don't have a lot of money yet, they can go in and start upgrading that and getting that reinvestment and getting the ball rolling. And then up here you see at 100 TH, you get the clan ownership, so you get to be able to make Miner Wars clans. 500 TH, this is the tier I'm at, indicated by a little check mark. I get the VIP support, so I got my VIP support manager. Like I said, as before, I've been fantastic. I've not really need to reach out to them. I'm kind of self-sufficient in a lot of stuff I do. But, they've been great. There's been special promotions and promos that have been offered and stuff, so they're it's good. It's good to have. They're engaging. They're not just like forgetting. They do check up, which is great. And then we have the diamond one, which is access key for Go Miner collection. Now, this is what I was talking about with the TH on the other page, where before you needed 5,000 TH with the mining farm to get the access to the Go Miner collection, but now it's only for newly created and upgrades. But on here it doesn't say that, so I'm not sure if they're going to add like a little tooltip to say that here, or if one of them's wrong. But given that they built out the feature to actually calculate that on the other page with the tooltip, I'm going to say that's the way it's supposed to be, and it's just missing from this page. And if you come down here, you see you got a couple more coming soons for the real big spenders down here and the legendary and elite tiers. So that's pretty much it right now, honestly. Like, that's the new VIP program in a nutshell. It's super cool. It looks way better than the old mining farm program. Again, just as a reminder, your service button is now, it's still called the mining farm tab, but it is at the top of all your miners, so it's right here. Same thing with the mobile app. You can kind of view all this on the mobile app on the home screen. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll see something similar talking about VIP. Then if you go down to the bottom, click on My Miners, and at the top you'll see your mining farm. It'll have this same kind of layout at the top here. But that's about it, honestly. Overall, pretty cool feature. It's not 100% new. It is built on the old system of the mining farm, but it is overall a rehaul of the entire thing. There's a lot more levels. People can get, a lot more involved sooner. It's just overall, it's pretty cool. I enjoy it. It looks pretty cool. I've got high hopes for it in the future. And that's about it. I'll stop dragging this out. And if you guys have any questions on the new VIP features, let me know. I'll be sure to try to dig them up for you. And let me know what you think about the features as well down below. And if you're not in Go Mining yet, check out the pinned comment for a discount on 5% back on your first miner created. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.